Single-serve coffee maker for K-cup pods and ground coffee. Thermal drip instant coffee machine. Brewer with vacuum insulated coffee tumbler. Self-cleaning function. Strength control by Sboly. Rapid brewed coffee right at your fingertips. This personal single-serve coffee maker will give you that fresh, pure taste that is required to jumpstart your day. Have your cup ready to drink in only 3 minutes. Hot enough to still have hot coffee with cream added. The water adjustment function allows you to control how much coffee you want to brew to save expensive grounds. Durable and compact design. Innovatively designed to be compact and durable, yet extremely effective, this coffee maker is much smaller than others. You will be able to fit it in tight places on countertops, office tables, etc. 2-in-1 brewing. Whether you want to brew coffee pods or make a cup of coffee the traditional way, this innovative machine will allow you to do either. The simple side button feature allows you to conveniently choose between these two brewing styles. A vacuum-insulated tumbler is included to allow you to take homemade hot coffee on the go. It can keep your coffee hot up to 6 hours. Auto cleaning button. When you are done using this one-of-a-kind coffee machine, simply press 2 buttons and let the machine clean itself. Cleaning your pot and ground brewer machine have never been this easy. Forget to shut off your machine? Don't worry, the machine will automatically turn off after brewing a cup of coffee. Upgraded basket filter with a lid. This is of upgrade model 1177 upgrade version single-serve coffee maker. We improve the taste of your coffee by designing a lid for the basket filter. It can hold the coffee grounds in place to prevent them from flowing into your coffee. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.